On an autumn day, I saw her first and knew that her dark hair would be those near, that I might rendezvous. I saw the danger, yet I walked along the enchanted way, and I said, let me be a fallen leaf at the dawning of the day. On Grafton Street in November, we tripped lightly along the lane. Oh, the deep ravine where can be seen the earth of passion's play. And I not making hay. Oh, I loved too much, and by such and such is happiness thrown away. I gave her gifts of the mind. He gave her the secret sign that's known to the artists who have known the true gods of sound and stone, and word and tint I did not stint, for I gave her poems to say, with her own name there, and her own care, like clouds or fields of May. La 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 On a quiet street where all goes meet, I see her walking now, away from me so hurriedly, my reason lost her love, that I had loved not as I should, a creature made of clay. When the angel day.